Welcome everybody. In this session of post-pandemic innovation management, where organizations need to look forward for a futuristic solutions which basically help them to manage enterprise processes in a much more effective manner. In the abstract, what we are saying that post-pandemic, the organizations are undergoing a lot of stress to manage their people, process, and technologies. So these futuristic technologies which are available in the market, which can help them to have a better control on their invested uh, technologies, invested process, and the people. Core question is how organization manage a successful enterprise. They create operational processes or business process. They adopt technologies and then they enable the workforce to perform the operation and the technology handshake. And also they collect the data to take a corrective and the productive actions to control all the processes. But these 4 and 5 basically post a strong scope of consultation for in-house or third party to ensure that this measurement, collections, analysis, and taking the decisions can be done remotely with the technology where it doesn't have too much dependency on organization resources. Now, in the traditional process of consultation, the consultant measure performance, he seeks information from different teams of technologies, process, and manpower, and to identify the standards. Basically, undergoes a lot of meeting, reviews, data collection, interviews, and once the expectation is set, it goes back to the floor to different teams and collect the data in the similar manner. Now, in these both cases, the interaction with the human, meeting, interview, floor visit, that plays a very major role. We saw in a traditional all consultations where all the big companies they complete a consultation using the similar manner. Yes, they use certain technologies, but those technologies doesn't stop them not to meet people, not to have interaction, not to have dependencies on multiple teams, factors, people. Now, this is where the futuristic technology will play a major role. Issue the traditional process of consultations are basically half-cooked data, human are error prone to provide the right informations, and then capability of identifying the right data, and then limitations, benchmark, communications, database requirement, multiple teams interactions. Those are the generic problems. Post pandemic, now those generic problems becomes much more higher because 90% people are working from home, and some cases maybe it's 100%. And then working from home creates a bottleneck on performance, productivity, efficiency, and then gap in communication. What we need to do, the futuristic visions of these technologies should ensure that there are least human interactions, but it is able to support all digital business process, all digital enterprise process. It should ensure 100% digital technologies are being monitored. It should ensure 100% users been monitored. And that's where if I am able to basically collect the data from people, process, technology, all are 100% dark, semi-dark area, that's where I can come back with a data set which will give me better opportunity to take better decisions. Technology that doesn't depend on about too much of backend data, that plays a very major role. And data protections, information securities, improve process, technology compliance, that's what we require in this particular session post pandemic. Need of the situations, not only process analysis but level of AI based technologies. Let's say some organization business process is having multiple functions and multiple activities. Not only process mining, not only process discovery, we need a process intelligence. Now this process intelligence is something which actually can tell you what has been seen till now and what was not been seen till now. It should capture both of the functions, both of the data, and then can create a futuristic vision of a process intelligence. Now, In these areas of this process intelligence, we have a scope of AI-based solutions. Now, offer solutions, process intelligence to support people process technology management. Basically, people from different functions, they use different processes and they use multiple technologies. But this futuristic vision of process intelligence should cover all these three levels to ensure the scope with the futuristic vision is met. Now, what this AI-based technologies has capabilities is what it does in functionally. It basically have a technological process where basically it can collect the data, then it receives the data, and then it does all kind of analytics. And it basically collects the data from all the user actions happens on the screen for all the business process areas, uses multiple technologies. It collects the data from the atomic level to macro level, sends back to the back end, then it segregates the data, it creates some process map, it identifies all the control flows, it identifies all the data flows, and then it helps you to do a better data analysis. The AI-based technologies for the digital transformation through process map for the people process technology, what it does, this is exactly what we was talking. It basically identify the process, technologies, and people, and it creates an absolute map. Means in this particular map, if a process is used by certain people and usage of certain technologies, it will basically identify what technology up to what extent, how many people, up to what extent a process is, how much it is stressed, and then it basically collects all the real-time compliance, variance, efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity, and the benchmark level data. And that's what uh, organizations always look forward from its process group to identify the correct data, identify the single point of truth where they can make crucial business decision. Now we use the most important questions for any organization. So basically, are we using that technology correctly? Are we adopting the right technologies, right process, and people are using it effectively? Now this tool is basically gives you the answer for the same thing. So those questions you can see it here, which is related to proactiveness of the team, the productivity, the processes, the stressed process of softwares, where which processor having maximum issues, that plays a very major role. And then the softwares are the tools least used, means my investment can be better or not, or can I shut down certain technologies. And then the realignment of the process, can it be rebuilt, what of the processes are slowest and possibly we don't require it, and can I shut down certain process, can I merge multiple process? All these answers this particular technologies will give you. Now, these 10-minute sessions might not be enough. You can reach out to me to get all the answers. Last but not the least, the customer satisfaction factors. On-time delivery, right price, fulfillment, all the requirements. That create the customer satisfaction. And until and unless we really control our in-house people process technology trio in a very effective manner, we cannot reach to market and time to market on time with the right price and fulfilling all the expectations. Thank you so much.